All right, what's going on? We are on day 2 of the November challenge. Yesterday, we did a purchase at Nike. We spent about $400 plus tax, obviously, and racked us up about 40 bucks plus whatever you are having on your credit card. So if you have 2% cash back, dining points, Sky Miles, if you use the Delta Sky Miles, American Express, it's different types of cards that are going to now start earning you different types of rewards, right? All right, so that was day 1. So we're now going to go on to day 2. We're going to look through Rakuten to see what has the best deals. We're going to make sure that those deals make sense, and then we're going to go ahead with our purchases. Come on. All right, guys, so we're on day 2. Like I said, yesterday we went to Nike. So this is what I do. If you can catch a 10% deal back to back, run it up. Keep hitting it, keep hitting it, keep hitting it until the 10% goes away. 10% is usually one of the top numbers. I mean, you guys see this 18% here, but I've never heard of Everlywell, so I'd have to do some research on it. You got a couple high percentages up top. PetSmart, Hertz, you got the typicals. Nike is still at 10%. I know Ulta Beauty is a good one. Ulta Beauty, Macy's, Dell Technologies. So you can look through all of these. All of these are 10%. This is what I'm going to tell you guys, or teach you guys. Find out what the store return policy is. You can give them a call. The calling method is the easiest method. You can use something like, hey, I lost my credit card, or I made a purchase the other day, but I need to return it. What all do I need to bring? I have my receipt. Make sure that they want you to bring in the original card. If they say, oh, we can just return it to the card, you're like, oh, I don't have that card. Is there any other way you can return it? They'll let you know if they actually need the card or they don't. Now, if they say that they don't need the card, that means they're going to send it back to the credit card as a refund, and we do not want that. So remember, keep that in mind. If you got to write notes, write notes. If they are going to return it to the original form of payment, we do not want that. So we want them to say, yes, you have to have the card with you, because then we can do the sleight of hand. You show them one card, return to the debit card, right? All right. So with this, we're going to run it back with Nike. Nike's 10% still. So yesterday we bought, I believe we bought like a bag or something. We're going to buy something else. Remember, I have a $500 a day limit. If you guys have more, spend more. If you guys have less, spend less. But let's see what we're going to rock with today. These dang ads, man. Alright, so I always go to new and featured, new arrivals. And then obviously we're going to sort by highest. Sorry, the page you're looking for isn't available. I'm just trying to find the most expensive thing they got. You know what? Oh, there's something. Okay, so they got a sports sweater, 300, 275, 250. All right, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit because yesterday I didn't spend the full 500. Today I'm gonna go a little over. I'm gonna get 2 of these jackets for 250. Right? I'm gonna get the men's jacket and the women's jacket. Let's go ahead and Jesus, these ads are killing today. All right, so I'm gonna grab a men's jacket. Then go back, and I'm gonna grab a woman's jacket for $250 also. Bam. Now I got a men's and a woman's jacket. Go to checkout. I don't know if it's my phone loading slow today, Rakuten loading slow, what's going on? All right, so you see here, we have 500. Obviously, when tax kicks in, it'll push it a little bit higher than that. That's what. All right, so you can see both items. With tax, it came up to $535. We'll go ahead and place the order. Wait for that to hit in. Thank you. Your order was placed.